Okay, kita berada di houseboat. Houseboat yang kita duduk adalah Mother India. Okay, di belakang saya ni houseboat Mother India. Selamat pagi Kashmir. Cuaca yang sangat menarik, sangat cantik. Dan ada beberapa penjual yang menaiki bot ke rumah-rumah bot ini. Rumah bot ini yang sangat panjang. Okay, lihat di belakang saya, itulah penjual-penjual yang bergerak dengan menggunakan bot ke houseboat.
Okay, no money, present.
Thank you. You're so sweet.
Thank you. I can give after Biji Bunny, okay?
Alright. Okay, dapat bunga for free. Okay, penjual tu bagi percuma saja pada saya untuk diserahkan kepada isteri katanya. Thank you. Interview. Assalamualaikum sir.
Waalaikumsalam.
What is your name?
Farooq Ahmed.
Farooq Ahmed.
Yes.
Can you tell me about Kashmir?
Kashmir is a paradise on earth. It's all world. It's a well-known state.
History of Kashmir?
Yeah.
Then what are you doing here?
We are trading here on a houseboats, hawking everywhere, selling some jewelry, shawls, handicrafts, different items. Well,
Alright, what you hope for Kashmir?
we hope peace, love, and coming more tourism. We are depend on our backbone is of Kashmir is tourism.
And then you hope for Malaysian people?
We love Malaysian. They are our own people. They are great.
What do you want people to know about Kashmir?
We want to know the people. We want, first of all, we want peace and love over here, and we love other people. It's our nation to behave with people as a humans.
Yay, thank you,
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.